Today we will discuss about the orbit. This is the lateral side of the orbit. This one is the medial surface of the orbit. This is the front sides, and this is the superior surface of the orbit. This one is the inferior margin of the orbit. This is the front side. We will reflect the superior orbital plate, and we will discuss about the orbit. Reflect the superior orbital plate, we will see the periorbital fascia and periorbital fat. Once we remove the periorbital fascia and periorbital fat, we will see the first largest nerve on the superior surface. It is the frontal nerve. This frontal nerve, it is the largest branch of ophthalmic nerve. It divides into the two branches. One is the lateral one, it is called the supraorbital, and the medial one, it is called the supratrochlear. Along with it, supraorbital vessels, you can see this is the supraorbital vessels. On the medial aspect, we can see there is a supratrochlear vessels. You can see this is the supratrochlear vessels. Just below to the frontal nerve, we can see there are two muscles. You can see this is a levator palpebral superioris, and this one is the superior rectus. So this one is the levator palpebral superioris, and this one is the superior rectus. Both are innervated by the upper divisions of oculomotor nerve. This one is the oculomotor nerve. You can see this is the oculomotor nerve, and it divides into the two divisions. Here you can see this is the upper division, and this one is the lower divisions. So the in between you can see the upper division and lower division. You can see this is a nasociliary nerve. This is the nasociliary nerve. This one is the nasociliary nerve, and this one is the lower division, and this one is the upper division. So from the upper division, on the lateral aspect, the orbit which is supplied by the upper division of the oculomotor nerve supplies to the levator palpebral superioris, and as well as it supplies to the superior rectus. On the lateral aspect, we can see there is one muscle, it is called the lateral rectus. You can see this is the lateral rectus. On the upper border of the lateral rectus, we can see there is a neurovascular bundles. This neurovascular bundles, it is called the lacrimal vessels, and now you can see this is the white color, it is the lacrimal nerve, and this pinkish color, it is the lacrimal vessels. You can see this is the lacrimal vessels, and this one is the lacrimal nerves. So this innervate to the lacrimal gland. You can see this is the lacrimal glands which situated at the junction of the superior and lateral surface of the orbits. This is a lacrimal gland, have a two parts, superficial and deep parts. So this one is the lateral rectus. This lateral rectus, which is innervated by the one nerve. Here you can see this is the sixth cranial nerve. It is the abducent nerve. It supplies to the orbital surface of the lateral rectus, and it innervates to the lateral rectus. This is the abducent nerve. It is called the abducent because it abducts the eyeballs on the lateral rotations of the eyeball. It is called the so that's why it is called the abducent nerves. Here on the medial aspect, we can see this is the muscles on the superior surface, and the medial aspect of the superior surface. You can see there is one muscle, it is called the superior oblique muscle at the junction of the superior and medial surface. This muscle, it is innervated by the fourth cranial nerve. It is called the trochlear nerve. It is the very slender nerve which arises from the brainstem at the level of the inferior colliculi, and it innervates to the superior oblique muscles. Here you can see this is the superior oblique muscles. Now we can see on the medial aspect, we can see this is the medial rectus. This optic nerve, you can see on the here, this is the inferior division of the oculomotor nerve. This is the inferior division of the oculomotor nerve which innervates to the medial rectus, as well as it also innervates to the inferior rectus from the orbital surface. It also innervates this is the inferior rectus. From the inferior rectus on the lateral aspect, we can see there is a longest branch of the oculomotor nerve which innervate to the inferior oblique muscles. Here you can see this muscle, it is a inferior oblique muscles. Here you can see this is the inferior oblique muscles which is innervated by the longest branch of the inferior division of the oculomotor nerve, which also carries the fiber of the ciliary ganglion. This is the optic nerve from the posterior sides. We can see this there is a ophthalmic artery. Here you can see this ophthalmic artery which divide into the two basic parts. Here before it divide, it gives the branches, this small branch which innervate to the optic sheath. It is called the central artery of the retina. You can see this is a central artery of the retina. Then it divide into the two branches, basically medial, and this is the medial branch. You can see this is the medial branch and this one is the lateral. Medial one again below to the superior oblique, we can see it divide into the two branches. You can see the medial one is the supratrochlear. This is the supratrochlear, and the lateral one, it is the supraorbital branches along with the supraorbital nerve. You can see this one is the frontal nerve divide into the supraorbital, and this one is the supratrochlear nerve. The supratrochlear nerve, it is along with the supratrochlear vessels. You can see this is the supratrochlear vessels. Now we can see the here you can see this is the ophthalmic artery. This ophthalmic artery, the lateral branch, goes along with the lacrimal nerve. So this is the lacrimal artery. You can see another things. Now we will discuss about the ciliary ganglion. You can see this is the medial rectus, this is the optic nerve. Now we can see this is the lower division of oculomotor nerve, and this one is the upper division of oculomotor nerve. This is the upper division, and this one is the middle one. It is the nasociliary nerve. The fiber which goes from the nasociliary into the ciliary ganglion, this is the ciliary ganglion. You can see the fiber which is also coming from the inferior division of the oculomotor nerve. Here you can see this is the inferior division of oculomotor nerve which gives the fiber to the ciliary ganglion. So ciliary ganglion, it is the parasympathetic ganglion between the optic nerve and lateral rectus. This is the lateral rectus. So it is the between the optic nerve and lateral rectus, and the fiber of the Edinger-Westphal nucleus along with the inferior division of oculomotor nerve and relay inside the ciliary ganglion. This is the inferior division of the oculomotor nerve which relay inside the ciliary ganglion, and the postganglionic fiber, it is through the short ciliary, it supplies to the sphincter pupil, and it is a sympathetic fiber which is coming from the along with the ophthalmic artery. You can see this is the ophthalmic artery, and this fiber without relay inside the ciliary ganglion, and it supplies to the dilator pupils. So dilator muscles of the pupil and the ciliary parasympathetic fiber, it supplies to the sphincter pupils. So this one is the optic nerve, this one is the superior oblique muscles. You can see this is the trochlear nerve, this one is the frontal nerve. You can see this is the supraorbital, this one is the supratrochlear, this one is the supraorbital vessels. On the medial aspect, this one is the supratrochlear vessels, this one is the superior oblique muscles, this one is the medial rectus. Here we have reflected, this is the inferior surface, the muscle, it is the inferior rectus. This one is the medial rectus muscles. You can see lateral rectus muscles. This one is the lateral rectus, and this lateral rectus which is innervated by the abducent nerve. Here you can see this is the abducent nerve, and this above to the lateral rectus there is a lacrimal vessels and nerves. Here you can see this is the lacrimal vessels and nerve, this is the lacrimal gland, this is the frontal nerve. Below to it there is a levator palpebral superioris, this is the levator palpebral superioris. Below to it superior rectus, and this one is the lacrimal vessels and nerves. On the superior surface, on the medial aspect, this is the superior oblique